We are going to see about error detection and correction techniques using LRC technique. Here we include libraries. A is denoted as length of data stream, bit of 100, array to store bits, zeros and ones, count equal to 0, to count number of ones. I is a loop variable, choice is a user option, sender or receiver. Printf, enter the length of data stream. Scanf, %d and a, asking user to enter how many bits they want to input, value stored in a. Printf /n, enter the data stream. For I equal to 0, I less than a, I plus plus. Scanf, %d and bit of I, asking user to enter bits one by one. Loop runs from 0 to a minus 1. If bit of I double equal to 1, if the entered bit is 1, we increase count. Finally, we get total number of ones. Printf, number of ones or %d count displays how many ones are present. Printf, number of ones or %d count displays how many ones are present. Printf, enter the choice to implement parity bit. Printf /n, 1 sender side, /n, 2 receiver side, /n, scan of %d and choice, asking user to choose 1 sender side, 2 receiver side. Switch of choice, based on user choice, program executes different blocks. Case 1, if count %2 double equal to 0, bit of a equal to 0, else bit of a equal to 1, checking whether number of ones is even or odd. This is even parity logic. Printf /n, the data stream after adding parity bit is /n. For I equal to 0, I less than or equal to a, I plus plus. Printf %d bit of I, break, prints the new data including parity bit. Loop runs till a extra bit added. Case 2, if count %2 double equal to 0, printf, there is no error in the received data stream, else printf, there is error in the received data stream, break. Again checks even or odd count. If even, no error. If odd, error detected. Default. Printf, invalid choice, break. If user enters wrong option, shows error message. And output of the program is, enter the length of data stream is 10. Enter the data stream 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. Number of ones are 8. Enter the choice to implement parity bit. 1 sender side, 2 receiver side, 1. The data stream after padding parity bit is 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Thank you. We are going to see about error detection and correction techniques using CRC. Header files are included to use standard input-output functions and string functions. This is the main function where the program execution starts. Void main, int ij, key length, message length, char input of 100, key of 30, temp of 30, quotient of 100, remainder of 30, key 1 of 30. Input stores the data, key stores the generator key. Temp, remainder, key 1 are used for calculation. Quotient stores the quotient value. Key length and message length store lengths. Printf, enter data, gets input. This line asks the user to enter the data and stores it into the input variable. Key length equal to string length of key, message length equal to string length of input. Here we find the length of the key and the input data. String copy, key 1, key. These copies are key into another variable key 1 for later use. For I equal to 0, I less than key length minus 1, I plus plus, input message length plus I equal to 0. This loop adds zeros at the end of the data. Number of zeros equal to key length minus 1. This is required for CRC calculation. For I equal to 0, I less than key length I plus plus, temp of I equal to input of I. This copies the first few bits of input into temp for starting the division. For I equal to 0, I less than message length, I plus plus. This loop performs the division process step by step. Quotient of I equal to temp of 0. The first bit of temp is taken as the quotient. If quotient of I double equal to 0, if the quotient bit is 0, for j equal to 0, j less than key length, j plus plus key of j equal to 0. We replace the key with all zeros. Else, for j equal to 0, j less than key length, j plus plus key of j equal to key 1 of j. If it is not 0, we use the original key. For j equal to key length minus 1, j greater than 0, j minus minus. If temp of j double equal to key of j, remainder of j minus 1 equal to 0, else remainder of j minus 1 equal to 1. This loop performs XOR operation. Same bits is 0, different bits is 1. The result is stored in remainder. Remainder of key length minus 1 equal to input of I plus key length. This brings the next bit from input into the remainder. String copy of temp, remainder. This copies the remainder back to temp for the next step. Division process ends here. String copy remainder temp. Final remainder is stored. Printf /n quotient is for I equal to 0, I less than message length, I plus plus. Printf %c quotient of I, that prints the quotient. Printf /n remainder is for I equal to 0, I less than key length minus 1, I plus plus. Printf %c remainder of I. This prints the remainder. Printf /n final data is for I equal to 0, I less than message length, I plus plus. Printf %d c input of I. For I equal to 0, I less than key length minus 1, I plus plus. Printf %c remainder of I. This prints the final transmitted data, which is original data pulse remainder. Output of the program is enter the length of data stream 10. Enter the data stream 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. Number of ones are 8. Enter the choice to implement parity bit 1 sender side to receiver side. 1. The data stream after adding parity bit is 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 0. Thank you.